Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from SuNN.com, bringing you the May 2023 edition of Crafting at the Lake House. This crafting event took place in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right on the beautiful Okanagan Lake. The annual catalog was celebrated in the projects, so look for new, fresh ideas. There are 12 projects featuring 12 different Stampin' Up! Products, plus 2 bonus projects in this fun video mini-series. There is a link in the description box below to purchase the written PDF in case you're so inclined. I totally appreciate the support. Thank you in advance. So I do hope you have fun watching the videos and get inspired. Hello cheeky monkeys, welcome to card number 2 of Crafting at the Lake House, May 2023. I have a whole bunch of cards and cardstocks, and I'm starting off with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I am stamping the sentiment from the Dainty Delight stamp set, Celebrate You, and I'm cutting that little strip out with the double oval punch, and then I have some black cardstock, and that gets punched out with the scalloped part of the punch. And here is block H, and I'm inking it up with fresh freesia ink. I'm using a Stampin' spritzer and getting that decently wet. You can wet it more. I just chose not to for the filming of this video because I wanted it to dry quickly. Oh, that's a motorcycle. And you want this rectangle to dry completely. So you can take a heat tool to this if you want. I set mine aside and went to work on other things, and then I came back to filming. So I've inked up the floral image from the Dainty Delight stamp, and I've stamped down onto the page. This is my Berry Burst Stampin' Right marker. I put the paintbrush side, or the pointy side, into the lid, and I gave it a really tough flick. I was not gentle, and I got a spray, a very fine spray of ink. Of course, I let that aside to dry. Now I had to put a ton of adhesive on the back part of that white cardstock so that it wouldn't bow or bend, because it's had a lot of water on it and spritzing and all of that. So I just adhered it to the black mat. Now this is, what is this? This is the black and white gingham ribbon, and I tied a very tiny little bow. And of course, if you wanted to, you could tie, it around the cardstock, whatever. I actually like teeny tiny little bows, so I'm going with this. And I put the matted black basic white card on my, this is Bubble Bath, I believe. Yeah, Bubble Bath, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I put a Stampin' Seal on the back side of that, the sentiment, and then dimensional adhesive on the back of our scallop bit, and I'm sticking it on the bottom third, on the last third of the card, if you will. I'm going with the rule of thirds. And now I'm going to put that little gingham ribbon, I'm just going to put it off to the side. That is my card for today. You can see all the supplies I used listed below in the video see more section, or in the supplies section of my blog, and those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.